I'm Landon from Canada, coming to you from a place still full of snow. This is my first ever YouTube video. Since we're all staying home trying to prevent the COVID-19 virus, I decided to make this video on my project on sustainable communities. This is an apple cabbage that I've been growing. You're probably thinking that I started this from seeds, but I didn't. I started it from something that looked like this, because we left it in a pot of water and some water, and it started growing out of the middle. And then it started growing roots. And if you're wondering what an apple cabbage looks like before it's been eating, this is what it looks like. Project Eat It Twice is wondering how many vegetables you can do this with. We have leaf lettuce wraps in here, and we saved the bottom of the leaf lettuce plant. And now it started growing. And also, I'm gonna try and grow this one. This one. It's a Savoy cabbage. And I'm also gonna try with a fennel. Stay tuned for my next update video. And meanwhile, start your own Project Eat It Twice.